I have been waiting to get this desk tour set up off the ground. Like I spent a lot of time with trying to like get my desk the way it needs to be, the way how I like it, just to make sure everything is in order. So this is a video that's been requested by so many people already to see how, you know, my setup is. So I want to give you all that. So first things first, I have my big widescreen monitor. It's a Samsung 32-inch curved LCD monitor. It's hooked up through a HDMI cord to my laptop. And then I also have a wireless keyboard that I got off of eBay. I did like a bid at the last minute. I'm one of those people who come in and at the last minute for a bid. And I came in, I got it for like $20. $20 for an Apple authentic wireless keyboard. So I have that there. And then I have a Logitech Mx Master 2 mouse. This mouse is very good. It's wireless or Bluetooth, and you can program it to do different functions on your computer, swipe different screens, pull up different applications. It makes your process and moving to different things so much faster. And because I edit videos and I vlog and do all different things creative and just study always on my computer, I wanted a nice mouse, so I got that mouse. And then next I have 2 speakers that's hooked up to a subwoofer, and they're connected to my laptop, and they also have a plug that I can use to plug in my iPad or my iPhone, and aux port. You know, you always got to have that aux on deck to plug in the music whenever you want to just plug some tunes in to play some good music. And then I have a bookshelf that contains all my MCAT material, from my flashcards to the MCAT content books, my binders, notebooks. And then I have this candle that I got from Honey House. Honey House is this nice place around the corner. They sell cool candles. And this one is like a more masculine scent candle, and it smells really good with tobacco, vanilla, and honey. I definitely recommend it. It's called Drone. Go and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Great fragrance. And then I have an Alexa Echo device. So this is really awesome. Like I use it when I'm studying. I set a timer when I'm doing my Pomodoro techniques, which is like studying for 25 minutes. Oh, she heard me say her name. Sorry. All right, so when I do my Pomodoro techniques, I do 25 minutes on and then 5-minute breaks. I can tell her to set a timer for that amount, and then she'll set the timer and then alarm when it's that. So I don't have to do any of that. Just say it and then it's done. So it helps that. I mean, it's like, you know, just an added device. I got it as a birthday gift, so I'm pretty appreciative that my mom got me that for my no, I said birthday, but my Christmas gift. So I'm glad I got that device. And then I have a whiteboard so I can write up my molecules and just actively write out things that I need to memorize, mechanism, pathways, organic reactions. I have a book stand for me to put my books on, and so I can sit upright and not hunch over and look at it, but it's upright so I can read it off the top. So that's really nice as well. And behind the LCD monitor, I have LED lights, and the LED lights add a little ambiance to the room, to the setup, and, you know, give that little color, the different color effect that just enhance the setup. So this is my desk setup. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's, you know, it's something slight. It's nothing too crazy out of this world, but I know it's kind of like not the typical that you would probably see or that most people have, but it's what I enjoy. I like technology, and I really enjoy just having a nice setup and being in a room that is quiet and I can be productive and just enjoy coming to, and not feel like I'm in like this ugly, dingy place that I can't do work in. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, because I am coming out with more and more videos back for your head top. Get ready, King Keen back on it. Welcome back to Mission Medicine. If you're new, please subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.